FXBros.
And we back. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning. We got through with the 4th of July. And we back. We didn't have live yesterday. There was no news releases. The market still gave us some profitable moves, even though it was a holiday. Forest markets were still open. But like I said, it was no real news. I think we had news in the evening for Australian dollars, and same thing for tonight. We got news this evening, and we got a FOMC at 1 o'clock. So no news this morning. So it'll be normal trading algorithms that'll be continuing to play out. But nonetheless, just to quickly go over, I'll just take a glance at what happened yesterday, even though it was the 4th. So we're right here. The major move was that London pretty much dropped. Well, this was the move. Regardless that we were coming from pre-London with this bullish move at like 2 a.m. right here. This sell at midnight, which is really 11 o'clock Central Time. This is New York time. This candle was news. This sell-off, this red candle that formed right here, that was news. That was the Australian dollar interest rates that came out. So there you have it. That's pretty much why we had that sell-off. And this is proof. This move right here is proof that the sell-off was not valid. And market was really supposed to continue and go bullish. So if we remove this and took this, or really remove all of this and just connect this to this, and we pretty much had that same move going up here and then a sell-off. So this was voided out. Like any of that news sell-off and retrace back up, that's something you can like disregard. If you train your brain to start like erasing these candles and just the next continuation of order flow, take that candle and connect it to this candle from where it sold off at, and sometimes you pretty much get the same market condition of what actually happened. So this move up here will still reach up to this, right up under this low of this gap that we have. And from that, at London close, which is noon, or 11 o'clock noon, we get a bearish engulfing at the top, followed by another bearish engulfing at 9 p.m., 8 Central. This was also confirmed with a 4-hour engulfing around the same time. If I pull up the 4-hour, you'll see it right here. Going from 1 to, what is that, 5? 1 to 5, 4-hour engulfing. So 1 to 5. To 5, and then you follow by this engulfing. So sales from here 66.86 would have been ideal. 66.86, and right now we're about 66.6. So we 20 pips up on that sale overnight, which I would say, especially on the 1 hour, say the 4 hour, selling off real nice. Let's see what the daily is looking like. So we know this daily formed at 5, and what it couldn't do, it did not break this high. That's one thing we do know. Right now, it's looking like we may potentially be selling out deeper, and I would like to see if we can break under this 65. Let me just say 65, 60, 66, 60, and then furthermore fill this wick. So we're just gonna go into this. So we got one more hour until New York Stock Exchange opens. So let's just wait it out for that at most and see if we get any more volume there. I would love to take profit at 66.40 to 66.45. Up in that range. And as it stands, we are 20 pips away from that. So that would give us 40 pips on this move, the sell move. But it's not the sweetest one because we're getting a lot of break belows and breaking below. But it's followed by a bullish candle, so it's not that clean traffic that we would like to see. But still in all, hopefully after these 3 failed attempts to break in to this area and either fill this gap or at least tap to halfway, that hasn't happened yet. So we still have this area down here as a target. And the fact that market did reach right up under here, if we get a reversal, any type of bullish engulfing, I could see us having enough volume to turn this higher. Vice versa, this next candle, which would be at 8 a.m., this one, 7 a.m., will close bullish. And then the 9 o'clock candle would be would monitor that to the close. Just that. Show y'all this news right quick. So as you can see, we have 1 o'clock roughly 5 hours, 50 minutes, FOMC minutes. Then at 8:30, we have the balance of trade for Australian dollar. So the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve and the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, have equal authority to set interest rates in the United States after receiving recommendations from one or more of the regional Federal Reserve banks. The board makes decisions on what this rate modifications. The FOMC makes decisions on open market activities such as central bank money levels and the federal funds market rate. Sparky, get down. Doing the most, fam. You're doing the most. So what would consist of me getting out of this trade? Well, what I can see is from this sell-off, none of the highs got taken out. I mean, we had this high get taken out, but it was trading to this fair value gap right here. Well, none of the highs taken. So for one, if market gets above 66, then we might look to get out of this trade, out of this sale, and maybe enter again later at a later date. But as it sits right now, if we do break above high, that'll be the first time that the market broke a high on the 1 hour. And not only that, we want to just be a little more careful with how we enter these these positions. It's always, especially with the engulfing patterns, always best to wait for the candle to close to enter. And just for good measure, give it a chance to wait for the next candle. A few signs that you will want to see is like this one. This one broke the low. Especially had a very small low two break, so that was going to be easy. But nonetheless, it broke the low versus breaking the high. So that's like a sign of where I want to go. I'm trying to lead you. Because a bullish market cannot be created if highs are not taken out. You can't even create, form, draw, or even think about a bullish market if old highs, recent highs are not taken out. Same thing for the bears. If the lows are not taken out, the previous low, previous daily low, whatever, then you can't create a bearish market without that. Like, it has to break new lows and reach for new lows to be a bearish market. So, with that being said, that's why you should hold a whole lot of importance on just, filtering out all the noise and just being patient to wait for that defined entry with a candle close. You do not want to be trading impulse candles all our life. I need that candle closed today. Live, guys. Want the market to drop down to this line, this green line, which would be the midpoint of our gap where we're looking for buys. Come on, baby, let's go. We're already 20 pips up. Let's get this money. We're live, guys. Currently in a sell, 20 pips up, and we're looking for the market to drop down to our take profit area, this midpoint of this gap, this whole gap box right here. That's what we're looking for buys after we get that entry. No, sit. Next. I honestly think we could have a potential for us to sweep New York's high, come up to here, 66.69, and then sell off again. That's what I think gonna happen. You heard me? That's what I think. That's how it's gonna play. 30 minutes left for New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's see, what would that look like? 66, 69. What would that look like on a 1 hour? So yeah, coming to that gap. 66, 69. So yeah, I'm expecting that. That's what I'm gonna wait on. I got out of sales already. It's a 4 hour closing. 4 hours about to close. Let's see how we're gonna get close on this 4 hour. Got roughly 30 minutes left on this 4 hour to close. Let's see. See how low we go. I feel like if anything, just based off of structure, we should come this low, 66.52. Just to hang at these lows. 656 or 52. Right now we are 10 and 4 pips away. Got the 8:30 open. Tester by. Sparky, get down. Get down. No. Huh?
Hey,
Huh?
you got a ring or something? Well, how about this? Oh. Woo.
Like, come here, nigga. Lift your ass up. Come here.
Hey.
Ew. I'm gonna try to fade this little bullish push. We're gonna exit out of these buys at 66.69.
Definitely. Torture.
Whenever you get out the shower, I'll pour your coffee. Pour your tea.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to pour it now?
You can.
Okay.
Rocky. Go on.
Back, bro. You can't be all up under people. That's why you have to get stepped on. Damn, Sparky. You gonna get stepped on. You gonna get stepped on. You gonna get stepped on. You gotta watch out. You gonna get stepped on. Yeah, yeah. You gonna get stepped on. Come on, come on. You gonna get stepped on. Here it is getting stepped on. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Yes. Yes. I am on live. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Let me mute her. All right, guys. Give me we're gonna take a little break, but I'm just gonna make a quick run. We got 20 minutes until NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. So let's see what kind of volume we get pushed into the market. Like I said, we're in a little slight buys. We just want to get the market pushed back up to this area of like 66.70, so we could take another sale into these targets. This down here. That's what we're trying to take. You feel me? So let's just monitor this and see if we get this pre-NYSE push up to take out this liquidity. We already took our liquidity down here. Let's see if we grab this other liquidity and then sell off for the big sale, baby. I'm gonna go get it right now.
They all say ephemera, paper.com.
Well, and that was a Facebook group?
That was a Facebook group.
So it works good on Facebook groups.
Those websites I try to search didn't come back with nothing.
All right, let's keep it at social media then. That must be an easier pull. There we go with that bullish momentum, guys. 8:30 pre-NYSC. We do have take profits at 66, 69, 66, 70. So let's see if we get a push above. Take out this liquidity up here. And maybe this little liquidity to try to reach into this gap. On the 1 hour, what it's going to look like. We're going to reach up into here, probably close bullish, and potentially set up for another bearish engulfing. That's what we want. I'll be right back. Enjoy the music. Still sleeping and dusty. Come on, baby. We back. We got 9 more minutes. New York Stock Exchange. Come on, at least give me up to 66.69.3. You feel me? $33.6. Oh, baby. Seven more minutes, y'all. Man, we fully filled that gap in. So, who knows?
Of course.
We do have this up here, though. Let's see what we can do. We got 2 pips away from my TP. Yeah, 3 pips away.
So, like the complications that you like to talk to her about the change of your position. Okay. Okay, absolutely. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm sending this over to her, and I'm going to have to give you a call back to discuss this. Okay, Nathan? Of course. Have a good day.
Last 5 minutes for NYC. minutes left, guys. I really want to see that push before NYC, because if it's going to hesitate, that man, you got tank. Somebody could be nosy.
What you see?
Three more minutes left.
Good? You doing good? What? Hey, girl, wait a minute. Great. Thank you for calling Will. How may I help you? I'm great. How are you?
1 more minute left.
Can I get your first and last name, please? Edmonton. Okay, HAM. Okay, okay. And then your last name again? Perfect. And what's a good telephone number for you? Because she's not available right now. And then tell her to make your office available. What kind of generation? Mind generation?
New York
Oh,
Stock
demand
Exchange
generation. Okay,
is open.
Okay, perfect. Let me go ahead and send this over, and she's talked to you about this before. I'm asking you. Has she talked to you about this before? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for the call, man. Have a good day. to Refined Orthodontics. This is Patricia. How may I help you? Okay, let me check. Can I get your first and last name,
Like we might be getting that New York Stock Exchange push to the level I was talking about.
What's a good telephone number for you?
Just hit TP.
Okay.
703 is for show confirm TP. There we go. Just got taken out. So see how high we're gonna go. Set up for a sales scenario.
No worries, no worries. They just opened at 8 a.m. So, I'm gonna send this over to them right now, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good job. I'll be listening to people. Some mornings I'll be like, this is stupid. Because this one guy is like, yeah, I go down to the courthouse and then I'll be pulling probates. I'll be knowing about the property before anybody else. I'm like, well, nigga, I think I'll be knowing before you. Before we make it to court. So,
Yeah.
It's to be sold, not to be told. And I'm getting ready to jump off the stage probably. I need to book some of the gym sessions.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like these people, they're running out of shit to talk about. Because they're like, well, what kind of play you run? And then they keep talking about this care home shit. And I'm like, this shit is so old, bro. I can run circles around them in the care home industry. My grandmother, I grew up in one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, you can get money while written out the room. I'm like, wow, y'all so freaking. I mean, let me not say that. They really didn't know.
Yeah.
But I've known for all my life. That's been a fight. My auntie right now, both of us, multiple family members. They built, they're in the process of building their generational wealth off of that industry.
Right.
Where it passed
And I'm pretty sure that industry done changed somewhat.
Yeah, it has. It has. I mean, they're talking about the group home setting where you just don't have to be licensed.
Mm-hmm. Basically where Brian's staying at right now.
Right.
Yeah.
But they also have the veterans, which they don't even talk about that too often. But the veterans that pay so much money, especially if they have more than one diagnosis. So they depressed and got arthritis.
Oh shit.
Oh, they paying the grip. Of course, you want to get the people that ain't got the strongest diagnoses, like PTSD and schizophrenia.
Right.
I mean, not unless
so you ain't gonna have the laws over there every weekend.
Well, not unless you equip, and that's those facilities are 24-hour care.
Ah.
Yeah, it ain't no, all right, see y'all later.
Nah, we watching y'all everywhere you go. Yeah.
Somebody gotta be there at all times.
Yeah. That makes sense, though.
But they be so greased on here, like, look what I'm doing. I'm running a play. I'm like, bro, that's cute. That's a cute play.
He says cute. Yeah, I bet your aunt and they would find this very amusing.
Right. And then the cool part about them, they would never teach a class or a course about the shit. Never. They have gate kept that style of getting money forever. The only people they shared it with is just they like immediate sister or something like that.
And probably didn't want to do that.
All her sisters and some of her brothers were doing it. And then after that, it was up to them to pass it down to you so that you know how to do it. But they ain't never be, no, we're teaching class about how you can open up your own care home. Hell no. They not them people. It's none of your business how you get my money. So they do that.
They come in once a week, twice a week, so you get paid pretty well.
Oh, baby. Get it. Happy 5th of July, motherfucker.
Hello, you here? No, me, I help you. Then the lady, she was talking about, yeah, I had a guy in here. He was real big. He was scary.
That's what they were speaking of.
He was scaring other people. And he was real scary. I'm like, y'all could not have lived in the environment I lived in.
Yeah, they not ready.
My God.
You worried about looks?
Looks?
You in the wrong industry, nigga, because you about to get the roughest of the rough and the weirdest of the weird. So
it was real scary. I'm like, bro, my grandmother, as old as she was, she dealt with big ass motherfuckers, hella mentally deranged in there hollering, some throwing stuff, some aggressive, you know, and she would calm all that shit down. What? Hold on, wait a minute, sit down. Like she'd get up and go get in their face and everything. And I don't be having all this in my house. And they call, okay, Miss Hamilton. Okay, Miss Hamilton. They go and sit your ass down. Go smoke a cigarette. Now, she didn't cuss, but she definitely knew how to talk aggressively. And whoever it was, how you gonna let somebody fumble your bag because of how they look? That's stupid. Go
he was scary.
We need that good $1,000 a month for your ass. So
Thanks.
just learn how to get along. And then she knew how to, play.
Niggas be forgetting about the actual term. It's called care home.
Right.
Not sit and get a check from these weird ass niggas home.
Right.
Like you really gotta care for them niggas. Like other than that, the fucking state probably shut your shit down.
Exactly.
For neglect.
Exactly. So that was definitely that's the topic of that conversation today. One of the topics. Like, Lord, I heard all y'all. Everybody gonna cuss me out here. Trisha, it's not that easy. Like they probably be trying to attack me like yesterday. Like, oh no. And you have these people guide people and you be like, oh, get me on the stages. I can't wait. Thank you for calling 24-hour supply. How may I help you? Okay. Let's see here. Just one moment. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, so yeah, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna take a message about this, and I'm gonna send it over to the department, customer service department, and they're gonna call you back to talk about how they can get that returned for you. So let me see here. What's your first name? Okay, Robert. And then what's the product or the item? Sure. All right, 21607. Perfect. What's a good telephone number for you, Robert?
All right, guys. Ultimately, we have our last take profit of 66.70, and we're gonna let about 0.5. We're gonna let that run. Overall, we're looking to take profit, and that'll be from 70.
Sure. It's customer
60.
happiness.
So that'll be 40 pips.
At 24H as in hearing.
67 cents. So yeah.
Dot supply. That's SUPPLY. No, that's a dot supply. That's the extension of that one. Yeah, they're doing their own thing. So thank you. Right. Good. Let me go ahead and send this over right now for you, Robert, and request they call you back to discuss this, okay? Of course. Have a good day. Bye. Good, babe? You're adrenaline.
I know.
Why?
Like,
Go lay down. You don't want to lay down?
this is how I be when I be making money. Girl, I want to go like that.
Wow,
You're like 250 yesterday, last night.
oh my God, I can't believe this.
If I keep this up, you have to house in no time.
Yeah.
I feel it, babe. I want this shit. I be telling everybody that too. They ask me, yeah, man. Keep it motivated.
Yeah. People probably excited to hear that.
Oh, yeah. They got $20.
Interesting, real quick. So yeah, if you could get that link, that'd be awesome. And also, real quick, what is the benefit for people working direct for developers and any investors looking to work directly with the lender?
Thank you for calling Drunks here. Are you calling about an appointment? Okay, and with what department? Okay, women's health. Okay, I'm going to transfer you over to the women's health department. Just one moment, okay? You're welcome.
$8. 8 hours.
And now,
250. I'm killing it. We killing it, Sparky. We killing it. We killing it, Sparky. See these pimps? Look at them, Sparky. Look. Sparky, we up, Sparky. Do you realize? Look, Sparky. Look. Get all the milk bones. I'll buy you a milk bone gift, doggy gift basket. Well, guys, we caught this swing point in the 5 minute. I basically was just catching volatility as pre New York Stock Exchange open at 8:30, then 9 o'clock. We get that major push right here at 9 o'clock. That's when the actual stock exchange opens, which adds a little bit more volume to all markets, currency, crypto, whatever, however you look at it. But nonetheless, we did catch the fact that market swept liquidity down here at 8:30 on the 5 minute. If I zoom in a little bit, you'll see right here, right at 8:25, we swept this low, and it looked like we targeting London's high right now. At best, the New York Open, 12 a.m., which is 66.85. And we 3 pips away from that. Like I said, We'll have profit taken at 66.90, and we go let 0.5 run, and hopefully we'll target it into our area of interest finally. Let me see. Go to the higher time frame. Yeah, so last time we've been in that area, and this is a 4-hour gap from June 22nd, was the 27th of June. That morning from 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., pretty much all the way to like 3 a.m. It left that London, the London Open. That's when it left that price, and that was a good entry for sales. This is more of an advanced entry. We did not get an engulfing setup on the 1 hour. We still are bearish unless if we take out these highs up here at 67.05. But ultimately, we're looking for more bullish candles and then a bearish engulfing the setup to get us back into sales. So currently, we are up 20 pips on this counter trend trade.
How may I help you?
Let me lock in more profit.
Let's see here. All right, and are you one of his clients?
539 873.
All right. You said your name is Jermaine Thompson? Looks like he's not available at this time, Jermaine. Can I get your phone number, please, so I can send it to him?
Low hanging fruit, baby. That's what we want.
Oh my, okay. So you're saying that your case has already been closed and settled, and you're still waiting for payment? Now, have you sent Mr. Goldstein an email? Okay. So I'm going to mark your call as urgent today. Send it over to him as urgent. But I also want to give you his email address. Are you pretty good with that? Maybe you can send him an email? Okay, all right. Yeah, that way, I mean, I could send him a message this way, and then you could send him a message on that way. It'll be coming in from two different ways. But let me go ahead and get this over here marked as urgent. What's your phone number, Jermaine? Okay, that's 914-536-4642. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and get this sent over for you right now. Like I said, I'm going to mark it as urgent and request they call you back. Okay. It says, look, sometimes, let me tell you something. Sometimes the calls come from the cell phone number. So if you see a private call, please answer it. It could be him calling you from a private number. Have you got any private number calls? Yeah, because you don't want to miss it. He might call from a private number. Okay, well, thank you so much, Jermaine. Have a good one. Bye. It might be, buddy. Right. We'll settle that. Phone call. Be talking to me about that.
All right, guys, we got to wrap this one up. It was a successful morning with that buy. We were in sales from overnight. Got out of those at that swing point at 8:30. Then as I noticed that it was only reaching for liquidity, and I felt like the New York Stock Exchange volume was going to push it bullish just to set up for another sale. We took that, and we currently got everything locked in profit, so we good to go. All right, guys, we'll see y'all tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. We out. Peace.